Describe this tiny home in one word perfectly. Elegant design. This tiny house looks strong. From the front of the glass window with a triangular frame. This tiny house overlooks a small serene lake. There is a living room that connects to the cooking area. There is a ladder to get to the bed. There is also a bathroom. From this we can conclude that the spatial arrangement is very good. In a narrow area, the design of this house is enough to inspire us how to design the right tiny house.